Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can connect your Bose soundbar using Bluetooth to your TV. So let's get started right away. Depending which model you have, you may not have any buttons on the soundbar itself and you'll have to get the remote control. So to pair a new device using Bluetooth, you're going to find the Bluetooth button and you're going to press on it once. Take a look on the soundbar itself. If the blue light is blinking, it means it's in pairing mode, and this is great. We can go to step number 2. If the light on the soundbar is not blinking blue and if it has a display, it doesn't say pairing, you'll have to keep press this Bluetooth button during 10 seconds while pointing to the soundbar, okay? Keep press like this 10 seconds. It will reset the Bluetooth and at the end, you should be in pairing mode. Alright, so once this first step is done, you're going to go on your TV. This is an LG TV. Obviously, yours may not be an LG, but as long as it has Bluetooth, it should work. Basically, what we need to do is to open the audio settings. So over here, I will find the cogwheel. This is for settings. Then I will go down in this menu. And over here where it says sound out, I will select this and I will go through all the different options and one of them should be Bluetooth. Here we go, Bluetooth device. Then I will select device list and press enter. Now I have to select setup on this LG TV. Again, on yours, you may have to select pair. I'll select connect one speaker. And then select next. It will scan for all the different speakers around you and the Bose should appear in the list. As you see now, it's now searching. If your Bose speaker doesn't appear, there's a good chance that it has exit Bluetooth pairing mode. As you see, the blue light is not flashing anymore. So I just need to press the Bluetooth button again on the remote so that it starts flashing again. And I will press search over here to search again. And now I should see my Bose soundbar. Here we go. Over here where I see connectable devices, I have my Bose TV speaker. I'll click on it. It's now connecting. And here we go. I am connected. On some TV, you'll be able to select where you have placed the Bose soundbar. For example, you can set that up in the back or in the front. So you can have two of them, one in the front, one in the back. But over here, I'll leave it in the front. I'll press next. You'll be able to select if there is a delay and adjust it. So there is no delay. In my case, there is no delay, so I don't have to touch anything. And also the speaker, and also the volume over here. And here we go. After that, I'll be able to use my soundbar using Bluetooth connected to my TV. If you use your TV remote control, you can use the volume up and down button and it will adjust the volume of the Bose soundbar. So you won't have to use the Bose remote control anymore to change the volume. You can use the same remote control as the one that you control your TV to change the settings. As you see here, I see a small Bluetooth logo every time I change the volume. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.